Hey everyone, thanks for joining here on this video. I just wanted to cover some options. If you see this on your ceiling, obviously you've got a roof leak coming down through your attic. And I'm going to show you today what to check for and how to fix it. Save some money. If you're the kind of do-it-yourself person like I am, you always try to find a solution yourself before paying anybody else. But I'll go through it, show you how to find the possible first thing to look for in the roof that you might be able to avoid spending thousands to have somebody else do it. Okay, so first of all, if you're handy and you're comfortable on ladders and going in the attic, you look for your attic crawl space access, which is what I've got right here, and we're gonna go up in there. All right, so once you're up in there, you can take a look around and you can spot your vent pipes coming off your bathrooms, kitchen, whatever, sinks, toilets, showers, wash machines. And you're gonna have a couple of different types here. Now this one over here is from the gas furnace, and it's got a little bigger pipe down at the bottom, but up the top it's the same size, 2-inch ABS, or sometimes they use Schedule 40 in the white color too, but they're the same diameter. We've got leaks on 4 of these in this house where the old flashing and collar at the top on the roof is letting water seep and run down the pipe to the ceiling, which on that one over there is where that stain came from. So I'm going to show you real quick how to check it and how to stop that. All right, so this one I'm going to show you. You're lucky if this is your leak. If it's not a shingle problem or just a worn out roof, you're lucky. These have been in here for 18 years, and you can see there's water right here, and it's coming down from the collar up here, and this is literally a $10 fix. So we're going to show you how to do that. But if you see this is where your leak is, and you can fix it, keep it from dripping down onto your drywall on your ceiling. So today, rather than just doing a one-part fix, I'm going to do a preventative and a which happens in the attic space, and then there's also going to be a up on top of the roof fix. So first I'm going to work on the attic, and I've manufactured these collars here that are called it's basically a pipe vent drip stop catcher, whatever, and they go on. Basically what they do is each half goes on the side of the pipe. They're very precision, so generally they'll just hold right there on them by themselves. But anyway, you place one on each side like so, and then when I ship these to you, I package them with a zip tie, and the zip tie goes right around the collar, and then you caulk it. The instructions are all on the website. It's hotfabs.com, HOTFABS.com. And I will have a link to the description for you down below. Anyway, this is what it looks like after you've installed it. And basically it just keeps those drips from running all the way down. It's a barrier, and it stops them from going all the way down to your ceiling. So I've got those available. But that's not the end of the fix. We're also going to go up on the roof and show you how to shut off the drip completely at the top. These are meant to be temporary, and let's say that you couldn't get a hold of the repairs to the roof, or you couldn't get a roofer to come out and do the repair to the top, and you don't have time. These are a temporary fix, but they're also a long-term preventative measure. So if you did have a worn out seal on the top, these are going to keep the water from hitting down there. Obviously, if it's a huge leak, you're going to have to do some more mitigation, but as a temporary stop, these work well. Okay, so as I said, I will have a link to this product in the description. It's on my website. And then let's go up to the roof and show you how to put the repair up there. It's real quick and cheap. So this is really quick and easy and cheap for you to use for your repair. And I've got one here, but I wanted to show you the link on Amazon the link is down below in the description of this video below. So if you click on that, you can order them from Amazon. Okay, so we've got 4 vents on this house, these little 2-inch PVC Schedule 40s. I've already got the other ones fixed, but you take this item, it's just a rain collar, and slide it over the top. Just make sure you get the right size for your pipe. 2-inch PVC is about 2.5 or 2.38 on the outer diameter, but in the description the items show what they fit and how to use it and trim it if you need to. Just slides on like that, and then you have this old crusty leaking part is now shielded from the rain with a nice rubber seal that will no longer drip down the pipe underneath here into your ceiling. So hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up and a like. Subscribe. Check out my other videos that'll help you save some money and get things done yourself. Thanks for watching. Nice day to be on a roof.